Okay, friends, we got a little cut off. That's okay. It's going to happen. We're all right. All right, so let's look back. Number 1, not a lot. What did we say meant not a lot? Good, some. So that word's going to go down 1 letter per box. All right, so then the next one, 2. Not like our number 2. Like, can I come to? So good, like also. We've talked about that word before. All right, look at number 3. What are they a picture of? Which one of our sight words would describe them? Good, they're a family. You have a mom, a dad, a brother, and a sister. Family. And they share letters with our 2 words we've already done. Let's slide down here. Look at number 4. Which word would mean not old? Think about your crayons that we got after Christmas. They weren't old, they were good. They were new. So that's going to go down this way. Let's look at number 5. It's not this one, it's the good other one. So other is going to go across because it's number 5. Last one, number 6. It's not my food, it's good. Their food. It belongs to them. Their. It's going to go down on number 6. Awesome. All right, so our small group is going to look a little different. It's okay. So I'm going to get our Elmo out so I can explain to you what we're going to do. I'm just going to slide over here. All right. You should get out your marker, your Tap It, Zap It mat, and your eraser. Okay? So let's think of our first word. Let's do the. Let's tap the sounds in the. E. What's this? Good. Let's tap it. E. Our E is going to be long, but this time he's not going to have a sneaky E. So let's tap it. E. Let's map it. E. Let's write it. The E. Remember our TH, he gets 1 box because he's a digraph. He makes 1 sound. All right, reset your board. Let's do another one. Let's do meet. Ready? Like it's nice to meet you. Let's tap it. Eat. Remember our E is long, but does he get a sneaky E this week? No. So let's tap it again. Eat. Let's write it. Or let's map it. Eat. Now let's write it. Eat. Remember this week, there's no sneaky E at the end. All of our sounds are 1 E or 2 E's, but the 2 E's are squished together. Good. Reset. Let's do the word beep. What's the word? Good. Beep. Let's tap it. B-E-P. Our 2 E's, they're squished together and they're long. So let's map it. B-E-P. Write it. B-E-P. Beep. Good. Reset. All right. Let's do the last one. Let's do a long E with 1 E. Ready? Let's do she. What do you hear at the beginning? Shh. Does shh get 1 box or 2? 1. Good. It's going to get 1 box, and our E is going to be long. Let's tap it. Shh. E. Let's write it. Shh. E. Good. All right. Let's look at our decodable for this week. All right, our story for today is called D. Lee and the Green Plants. Do you see our long E in any of those words? Good. It's in D, Lee, and green. Green we know because that's one of our color words. And D and Lee, what do you think they are? Good. They're names. We could also look at our picture and probably figure out who D and Lee are. Let's look at some words in our story. Ready? She, be, we. Tap to your screen like I'm reading, okay? D, feeds, green, tree, seeds, weeds, 3 is one of our number words that we know. Beets, that's like a vegetable, a red vegetable. Needs, weeks, wheels, sweet, see, need, free. Let's go and look at words that have our digraph TH. Remember, when you say the TH sound, it's like you're sticking your tongue out at someone. Thin, 3. All right, these have our voiced TH. Ready? Then, these. And our last one, our digraph WH, which says W. Ready? When, wheels. All right, and let's look at our high frequency words. Are you still pointing? Make sure you're pointing. Ready? Puts, for, under, little, they, a, the, many, are, work, to. Is that like our number 2? No. That's like, can I come to your house? And said. Good. Let's look at the first page. Listen as I read and follow along. Your finger, you can put it on your screen. It's okay. Just do it very gently and follow along. D digs holes. Do you see our sneaky E in that word? She puts in thin little seeds. Lee helps when she needs it. So Lee is the boy and D is the girl. What is D doing? Good. She's digging holes. Could I have looked back in my story? Yes. Listen as I read. Are you following along? Okay. Lee feeds the plants. Is he cooking them food and feeding them like your mom would feed you? No. He's giving them what they need. What do plants need? Good. Water. Then he picks the weeds. D helps. All right, keep following along. Lee and D work for weeks. They see many tall green plants. Do you think that means their plants are growing? Good. It does. We learned that word last week. All right, following along, next page. D and Lee use this box. It has 3 wheels. Why do you think they're using that box with wheels? Good. They're pulling things that are heavy. Lee and D need to rest. They sit under a tree. Last page, follow along. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not the last page. 2 more pages. D and Lee pick beets. Remember we talked about beets are something that you can eat? These beets will be sweet, and they are free. Last page, follow along. We did it, said Lee and D. What kind of sentence is we did it? Look back at it. We did it. What kind of sentence is that? Good, that's an exclamatory. Say that word. Exclamatory. We know that it's exclamatory because they're excited. It has an exclamation mark. Great job, friends. All right, let's look. At our, there we go, at our center page for today. This is a page you all know how to do, but I'm going to remind you what to do. We're going to do rainbow writing with our E words this week. Remember, some of them have 2 E's and some of them only have 1. They're both going to say E. For rainbow writing, remember, you always start with your red. And then what's the next color? Good. Orange. And then after orange is, good, yellow. And that's all my letters for that word. So now I'm going to grab my red and start back over with the first letter of the next word. And then I'm going to go in the same order we just talked about. Orange, yellow, and this time I have an extra letter, so I get to do green. Okay, you're going to do that all the way down the page. When you're done, you can get on Epic. Okay? Don't stay on for too long. You talk to Mom and figure out what a good amount of time is. We normally do about 15 or 20 minutes. Remember, when you're done with this paper, don't throw it away. Miss Woolley wants to see it when you come back. It needs to go back in your green folder that you took home. Okay? Are you going to throw this page away? No. Where is it going to go? In your green folder. Okay? I'll see you next day.